Hello friends, welcome. Today we will discuss RRB Group D PYQs and important questions to boost your exam preparation. Let's get started. RRB Group D PYQ plus important question part 4. The time taken by an object to complete one oscillation is termed as the time period is the correct answer. Time period is measured in seconds. The number of oscillation per unit time is called frequency. In exam they may ask what is frequency. The number of oscillation per unit time is called frequency. What is the relation between the frequency and the time period? Frequency is equal to 1 by t, time is equal to 1 by frequency. Choose the correct alternative to complete the pattern. 91827364, 81726354, 71625344. The correct answer is 61524334. Here, each term consists of 8 digits. The numbers appears decrease by when you subtract 91827364 minus 81726344, we get 1010. Each term is decreased by 2. When you subtract 81726374 71625344, we get 101010. Therefore, when you subtract 71625344 from 1010, we get 61524334. What is the SI unit of the pressure? The SI unit of the pressure is Pascal is the correct answer. SI unit of the pressure is Pascal, which is equal to the Newton per square meter. It is also called as a Newton per square meter. Dax reacts with steam to form metal oxide. Iron reacts with steam to form metal oxide. Metals like aluminium, zinc, and iron react with steam to form metal oxide and hydrogen. Objects that do not produce their own light are called non-luminous object. Objects do not produce their own light are called non-luminous object. Objects do produce their own light are called luminous object. Objects do not produce their own light are called non-luminous object. The moon is the non-luminous because it reflects light from the sun. Isobars have the same number of, the correct answer for this question is nucleons. Isobars have the same number of nucleons. What are isobars? Isobars are the atoms of different chemical elements that have the same number of nucleons. What are nucleons? Nucleons are a collective term combination of proton plus neutron. In exam they may ask, what is nucleons? It is a combination of proton plus neutron. When an acid reacts with a metal oxide, then the products are dash and dash. The answer for this question is when an acid reacts with metal oxide, they produces salt and water. Acid plus metal oxide, salt and water gives. Example, when hydrochloric acid reacts with copper 2 oxide, CuO, the reaction is HCl plus CuO gives straight to CuCl2 and S2O. Here CuCl2 is a salt and S2 is a water. Dash tissue is composed of dead cell. Sclerenchyma tissue is a composed of dead cells. Sclerenchyma is a plant tissue made up of dead cells that provides hardness and protection to the plant. In exam, they may ask which type of tissue provides hardness and protection to the plant. The answer is sclerenchyma. Lu is a kind of Lu is a kind of heat wave. Heat wave. Lu is a type of heat wave, a hot, dry, dusty wind that blows in summer over parts of India and Pakistan. Lu is a local wind. It is also heat wave. Madhya Pradesh is the largest producer of manganese in India. In exam, they may fish state as the manganese largest producer in India. The answer is Madhya Pradesh. When chlorine reacts with slaked lime, it produces bleaching powder, also known as a calcium oxychloride. Another name of the bleaching powder is calcium oxychloride. When a chlorine reacts with slaked lime, what produces? Bleaching powder produces. Fullerenes is an allotropic form of carbon is the correct answer. Fullerenes are related to the allotropic form of the carbon. What are allotropes? Allotropes are the substance that are the made up of same element but they have different physical forms. Buckminster fullerene is an example of allotropic form of carbon. Helium is an inert gas that has two electrons in its outermost shell. In exam JMS, which noble gas has the two electrons in the outermost shell? The answer is helium noble gas. Helium electron configuration is also called as a duplet configuration. Liquid used to conduct a current is called electrolyte. Find the next number in the series N14, M13, O15, L12, P16, K11. Here, first letter P, after P, Q, 16, 17, J before K, 10 before 11. N, O, P, next term Q, 14, 15, 16, next term 17, 11, M, K, L, before term J, and 11, 12, 13. Before number is 10. Therefore, the correct answer is option 1. Q17, J10 is the correct answer. Thank you for watching.